Make sure you have both these books on hand, folks, all the time. I really appreciate that. Best in Your Kitchen and Cooking Around the World with Chef Des. That would be great. Now, the one thing you're going to notice about this recipe, look at the long list of ingredients. My goodness, Des. You know what? You've got to build complexity. I get it. It looks intimidating when you first see it. There's these cookbooks out there. You can buy a cookbook that's a 5-ingredient cookbook. Everything's going to taste like crap because it's not going to be very complex. It's not going to be balanced. It's not going to have a little hint of acid. There's no sweetness to balance the acid. Like, don't bother with that, right? You can have a 5-ingredient cookbook. No one's going to be sitting on the table and say, wow, this is great for 5 ingredients. They're not going to say that because you know why? It's not going to be great. So go with 10 ingredients instead, all right? And the whole reason why you put effort into cooking is so that it tastes good. So don't be bothered by that stuff. Just I'm here for you. I have researched, I have perfected. I think this is one of the recipes that I had you guys wait on because I was still perfecting it because I wasn't happy. And I go back to the drawing board and I make it again. I want to make sure you guys are completely happy with the recipe.